Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys uh like the winter update, but like not every bit of it because it's going to take me like an hour. But first you get first you get new items. You'll get like a present that you can carry. There's hot cocoa. I don't know why, for some reasons I can't really like press on. Oh, never mind, I can. Um and then you get some new stuff as well, and you get an old item, which is this halo as well. I think the necklace is also an old item if I'm not mistaken. And also the fishnet, you can it's like see-through now, I guess, and you don't need to change like the color or like the pattern anymore of like your stockings and stuff like that. That is new. You also get this, which is new, the face mask. And you get new hairstyles, which I have on here, new makeup, new patterns too. Just like this, you get like new patterns. These are from the advent calendar. Also, yes, there's like an advent calendar. It's like now not like close, but like it's like finished though. So if you didn't get the chance to, unfortunately, you'll need to purchase it one by one if you've missed every day. But if you missed only one, you can still purchase it and it's like a little bit easier. But you'll get like a free dress. Here, I'll show you the dress. It's this like feather dress here, pretty awesome. And then here, as you can see, you get, let me change the outfit back. And in VIP, you get this like armor suit, which I made a Viper costume from it. And you also get these winter items as well. Do you have anything else that's new on VIP? I think that's it. It's the armor suit and then the winter area. And then you also have the old item of the week. Oh, fixing soon. Anyways, I think it's a little bit bugged, but you get it every single week, and I usually just save them because I want to have the items on free play. And then I think, oh yeah, they removed the skirt from that. And what else? I think they reworked this this outfit here. They still have the original, but they reworked it. And I think that's all. Let me see if there's, oh, I think they reworked this as well over here. Let me know if I missed anything because there's a lot of items to go through. There's also some new codes. I'll put the code in the description box down below. There's only one though. And to go to the quest, you can just go here and go to the winter quest. And that's everything basically. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Oh, and one other thing, there's like a photo studio, recording studio, I don't know, over here. Also, you can like sit here and take pictures, which is so cute, like here. But yeah, that is it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.